Welcome to Mathemagix Learning Solution. In this video, we're going to look at how we could add or subtract like fractions. In the first example, we have two fractions, 3 over 7 to be added with 2 over 7. Let us quickly revise what we mean by like fractions. If two or more fractions have the same denominator, they are said to be like. Both 3 over 7 and 2 over 7 are proper fractions because the numerator is smaller than the denominator in both the case. Let us now see how we could add these two proper like fractions. You could arrive at your answer in just one step. We only need to add the numerators, in this case 3 to be added with 2 to give us 5 in the numerator, and we keep the denominator the same as the denominator in the two fractions to be added, in this case 7, and that's your answer. 3 over 7 added with 2 over 7 gives you 5 over 7. Now let's take an example of subtracting like fractions. Once again, these two fractions are like fractions as they both have the same denominator. To work out your answer, you need to do the subtraction with the numerators. In this case, 5 take away 3, which gives us 2. And you keep the same denominator as in the fraction subtracted. 2 over 9 is your answer. In this example, we have to add two improper like fractions. Now what makes them improper is the fact that the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now, like in the first example, we add up the two numerators. In this case, 4 added with 7 gives us 11, and we keep 3 in the denominator as in the fractions. 11 over 3 is your answer. I hope you enjoyed learning from this video. Thank you for watching Mathemagix Learning Solution.